This class is about leaded bronze, as in this Roman coin. We are still in the realm of copper, alloys containing mostly copper, and we are here in the bronze sector, so we have copper with a tiny bit of tin. Leaded bronze is when we add lead, that's the name leaded bronze. The first bronze likely was just copper plus tin. But later on, already in antiquity, in particular the Romans, discovered that if some lead is added, this alloy is easier for casting and you can achieve smooth surfaces. So it was a perfect alloy for bronze coins rather than the pure bronze without any lead. Most of the bronze Roman coins, they contains lead, so they are leaded bronze. Then these alloys, leaded bronze, is also used today for special industrial application because lead gives a kind of auto lubrication for some mechanical gears parts. Of course, it's not used anymore in any consumable items, of course, because it contains lead. Also because if we have coins made of bronze, like this one, this is 5 groszy from Poland, this is a standard bronze, and with the modern machinery they can achieve the same good results without the use of lead. And this is a Dupondius of Nimes, the crocodile coins, so 1st century current era. And it's called the crocodile because this one is a best example. This is my coin, it's worn out. When you have a good example, a good sample, you better see the crocodile over here. The XRF spectrum of the crocodile coin, the Dupondius of Nimes, show the peak of copper, the peak of tin, it's a bronze, and also a lot of lead, as seen over here. On the other hand, the modern bronze coin, these 5 groszy from Poland, they show copper, they show tin, and that's it. So we don't see any other elements, in particular lead, in its spectrum, because it's not needed anymore to get a good bronze coin.